This part will be disassembled for a better pack.
对，这个我就
These
软
two
掉了，
screws
这
are
个
for
拆掉，
fixing.
手做2个螺丝的。这个是
And
多
I
的，
put
就
the
是说
nuts
怕它
behind. It's
怕它
just
搞
for
错
you
了，
to get the right position.
怕它搞错
When
掉了，
assembling,
所以
need
说
to
我
remove the
搞2
nuts.
个给它好认。
This part will be assembled inner side for the better pack. This will be disassembled and put in the toolbox. This one now assembling at inner
然后
side.
那个相位的，
This one also will assembling inner side.
你就跟他交代就好。
Please assemble them in the right position before putting the material. And then, assemble the feet of the conveyor. Put the conveyor beside the main machine.
This have number and same in the electrical box.
Okay.
We connect one by one.
Now all the terminals are matched. Here connect to the 220 volts power. Connect the conveyor cable here too. And plug in the 2 plugs, one for main machine, one for conveyor. Switch on the machine. Check the lights are on. Check the emergency stop button is released before start the machine. Here
And
need
here
connect
is
to the air
link for
compressor.
the air. This one.
This air gun is used for the air shaft.
然后插进去嘛，
And
搞一
put
个
it
气管嘛，
beside
插
the
这个气管
feeding
嘛，
part.
然后这里就可以打气嘛，是不是？随便接一个就好了，接这条，接这条。
Connect here.
啊，接这条，啊，就可以接一个商通嘛，是不是啊？封一个商通出来嘛。